Hi guys, I'm here outside Garmaam where we're continuing to work on the water project that's going to get water from this area and pump it over the next two hills into their channel system that takes it down into their farm area, because as we all learned when we were here, the number one thing they need for successful farming is more water. Now the first step was we got a water engineer to help us figure out the pumping system, and we've got a two-stage system with two different pumps to get over the first hill and over the second hill. Now the second problem is getting water out of this area. This looks like a dry riverbed, and of course about 360 days a year the bed you and I see here is dry, but underneath this surface, just about a foot, there is a whole river that gently and slowly moves down through this area. So if you follow me here, what we're going to do next is get a construction engineer, and what we need to build down here is an underground reservoir. So the fellows from Garmaam have already started digging, and you can see this is eventually going to be about 12 to 15 feet deep. But our construction engineer has to help us, because once they hit water like this, the sides start caving in. So we're going to design and work on the system where they can keep digging and keep shoring up the sides, and then build some concrete around and make it a reservoir. Then the first pump will pump water out of this reservoir, and if you can look up, you can see the first hill. It'll pump it over that hill. It'll dump that water into a plastic underground reservoir. Will create a 10,000 liter tank probably, and then the second pump will take it from that tank up over the second hill where their channel system begins and carries water down the hill into their farmland. We're excited about this progress, and we look forward to getting this done hopefully in the next couple of months.